Hello lovelies, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty and makeup content for women over 40. Whether it's trying out products from the drugstore or Sephora, I just love to create tutorials and try out new makeup with you guys. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, it would be awesome to have you here and follow along with all of my videos. If you guys could subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, that would help me out so much. Today it is another eyebrow video, trying out another eyebrow product. So if that sounds like something you are into, then just keep watching. So I had one of my subscribers ask me a while back, sorry for not doing this sooner, to try out the Faux Brow from L'Oreal. This one looks really cool. It has the double bristles on this one. There's some that you can get with triple, single, all different kind of shapes to the ends of these brow products. So curious to see how this one works. Recently I tried out the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Archie Brow Pencil. That one was really awesome, but it does cost $40, and I feel like brow pencils end up running out a lot quicker than brow pens. This one was $16 Canadian. What I'm also noticing too, because I have to edit and stare at my face a lot when creating these videos, is how uneven my brows are in general. And a lot of times I follow just my natural brow, but each one is very different. Like this one is a lot thinner than this one. So I've got to try to even these out a little bit better, because looking back at some of the videos, I am like, wow, I have two different brows. Like they say, sisters not twins, but my brows don't even look related. I got this in the shade Dark Blonde. Now that my hair's a lot lighter, it's nicer to have a little bit lighter brow. So this Faux Brow says it lasts up to 2 days, which is kind of cool, I guess. So natural looking results, smudge resistant, transfer resistant, heat resistant, and waterproof. Shake well before use. All right, let's try this product out, you guys. I feel like I always do this brow and start out with this brow, so I'm starting out with this brow, and I gotta be cautious of the fact that it is quite sparse up here and not as sparse up there. Okay, let's come in close. I shook up the pen. I've got my mirror. Let's try this one out. So I think I'm gonna hold it maybe downwards. Start by trying to fill in the top of my brow. Yeah, that looks good. And also, when I'm doing my brows, I feel like I use a multitude of products. So if I have a few brow products, I will use the brow pencil maybe in certain areas and then use a brow pen in other areas. So if I like a product, I'm being honest about it, and it's not to say that this one is better than the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but from that first few strokes, I really like the natural look of this, the thinness, and yeah, being cautious of where to fill this in. But it's probably a product that I will use together. So don't be intimidated by these two bristles. It's not like you really have to do anything different. And if you want to use one, just turn it on its side. All right, it's a little bit darker than I expected it to be, but that is okay. I could go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills one and kind of fill in the gaps. I'm not gonna go too much crazier on the brow. Like I just wanna see these natural hair-like strokes. And this one's actually really good. It's just a little bit darker and a little bit warmer than I thought it would be. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop the video and I'm gonna look back at this and I wanna see how my brows look, because looking this way, it's like, it's okay, but rewatching it, it's like the reverse, and I've just been cringing at my brows lately. I'm gonna go in and try to fill the other side and maybe lift this side of my brow. Yeah, they just looked so different. This one looks more round. I don't know. Maybe I just need to add a little bit more up here and not too much on top. Right, like they don't look too bad side by side, but it's kind of dark. It's a little bit darker than I would like, not gonna lie. Hopefully it dries a little bit lighter, and maybe I just need to be a little bit more light-handed with this one. Also, in person, I do like the color a little bit better. I have to say that in person, it doesn't look as dark. Definitely on the camera, it's making it a little bit darker, and hopefully on the camera, it's making my eyebrows, like that's where I see the difference, because in person, it's not so bad. So, definitely like the product, how it performs. The brushes on it are really nice. I like that it's a little thicker, it gives you good precision, and it feels like one that has a lot of product in it. So definitely try this one out for $16. I think you will really enjoy this brow pen. And yeah, these are very precise and pointy. So give it a whirl. I like it, definitely comparable to the NYX NYX brow pen. So yeah, a really good one from the drugstore to try out. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.